So EVS is positioned actually on different markets, and then we have a strong position in the OB and sports market, and we are developing our positioning in the studio industry. This is definitely there that EVS is expecting to see a major growth, as there is still a huge potential in terms of tapeless transition. And with our experience in the tapeless solutions in the outside broadcast market, we definitely think that we have something to bring there, and we see that we estimate that 70% of the production in studios are still based on tapes. So definitely we think that there is a potential level of growth in this market that is huge. So EVS is definitely keeping in line with the market. I wouldn't say that there is a specific strategy to go against the crisis. I think there was definitely a downturn last year that was accumulated with the fact that there was no major sport events in 2008. We definitely feel that the market is now recovering, and what people expect, and we keep up this line of working, people expect to see reliable solutions, solutions that help them to facilitate their workflow, to be more efficient, to be cost efficient, and this is all what we have been doing for years now, and we continue to go into this way. And a last point, but I think which is a very important point, it's that EVS is a company that is growing, but that is willing to grow together with its customer and to understand its customers. So that's the reason why we are so close to the customer. The level of support and services is extremely high. And I think that's probably the answer to give in such a situation. So definitely the 3D market and following the development of HD in the market is becoming stronger and stronger. So EVS has been HD ready much in advance from others, and now 3D ready. We are 3D ready for years now. So 3D for EVS itself is not really a revolution. It's probably a revolution for people moving to 3D in terms of production. I think it will be interesting to see how producers and how directors will be able to face with the new way of producing and new way of thinking how to produce. In terms of technology for EVS, it's just a matter of managing a synchronized feed based on time code and replaying that content instantly, like we have been doing the last few months on many different live operations. And then we are extremely pleased to continue in that way. But that this will be interesting mostly to see how people and mentality changes with the 3D development. So IBC for us is an extremely important show in the sense that it's a place where we can really expose and show and prove the market the expertise that we have gained for years by giving them the ability to put their hand on the system and then to understand and to have the proof that the system is really running the way they're willing and the way they expect it should be. And for us, trade shows and important trade shows like IBC is really something that needs to be continued and needs to be constantly improved, like the organization is doing it. So for us, we're constantly growing on trade show. We're improving the upfront view that we're giving in this kind of trade show, because definitely demonstration and the proof of the technology is an element that is key for us.